you all know this, an elevator pitch, the idea is that you're in a situation, you have 1 to 2 minutes, and it's a great opportunity with a captive audience. We're just going to imagine one person to tell them your brand story. So the goals of an elevator pitch are to engage, to connect, and to invite this person. You also want to be succinct, concise, and sort of read the room. So I'm going to give you a script here, and let me get out of full screen so I can see. Okay, I want to see the chat. So here's the scenario. Let's set this up. You're at a networking speaker series event. You take your seat next to someone and you introduce yourselves to one another. Then that person says, so tell me about your business. The first part of this will be for you to quickly, without being on the clock for this, 1 to 2 minutes, but to think about what are the key words or phrases based on what you know about this person, where you are, what audience they're in, anything else you might know about them from their name tag, and what are the key things that you want to be sure you're expressing and communicating to them. Your name, some version of your mission, audiences, maybe a little bit about your positioning, what we're really good at, what we're known for, what I love to do, things like that would be positioning. And then we're going to start plugging things into a format. Now, I know we don't, a lot of times I'll do this with clients. We've already been working together for a while, so I understand we're coming into this to a bit cold, but I hope you'll play along because I think it's fun. And what you'll find is after we all leave here today, you're going to have a chance to do this and you're going to feel a little warmed up. So you're going to follow this format. My business, and the name of your business, provides, delivers, or is a blank. So the what the mission, what do you do? Make it as concrete for them as possible. For, and you're going to tell them who's your target audience, who's your ideal client. Again, read the room here. See if you can figure out which of your audiences or segment of your audiences might this person be a part of or be a connector to. And finally, and I left this blank because it can go a lot of ways, and I really want to hear the creativity here. But the why do you do it? Or another way to think of why do you do the work you do? Why does your business exist? Or what do you want this person to remember about your business? What's the thing you want them to carry forward and hopefully transmit down the line to another person? So let's see.